Thomas Reed is a sales executive for Acme Telco. The first thing he does each day is to check progress towards quota. In this simple icon-based format, it's easy for him to move to his dashboards. These KPIs identify what is most important to Thomas. At a glance, he can see how his actuals are performing against quota, how contract renewals and new business are stacking up, a comparison of historic and current renewal rates to make sure he is headed in the right direction, and areas that might need his help, such as stalled deals. This gives him visibility into areas that will help him hit his numbers. Blue is neutral. It identifies numbers that need to be hit. Green is good and shows progress to date. Red indicates areas that need attention. From the high-level indicators, everything looks good. Let's drill in and make sure things stay on track for the quarter. The first thing to look at is actuals versus quota. This explains how Thomas is progressing this quarter. Quota is $26 million. Actual 1 is $8 million. And the projected revenue is $19 million. This is good news, as the revenue is projected to exceed his quota by $1 million. Thomas's sales teams are focused on product categories, emerging technologies, bundles, mobile, and network services. The graph shows quota, won, and projected revenues for these categories. He can see how each product area is shaping up. At Acme, contract renewals are always the largest part of revenue. They account for about 70% of the company's revenue stream. Retaining current customers by renewals is vital to Acme's business. Thomas wants to make sure these deals are going well. Based on the pipeline of $20 million and the 81% renewal rate, the projected revenue is $16 million. He sees a list of contract renewals with the highest probability deals at the top. In order to grow, Acme needs to sell new contracts. Based on pipeline, Thomas can count on closing new deals at a rate of about 40% or $3 million. With the projected revenue and contract renewals and new contracts, Thomas will likely close $19 million. That's $1 million above quota. Let's look at other performance indicators that show how revenue can be optimized and increased. The contract renewal rate shows that historically he renews 79% of the deals. His current renewal rate is 81%. This is an increase of 2%, which translates to higher projected revenue. Drilling into the KPI shows the actual renewal rate for each product category. Network services and mobile are running ahead of last year's numbers. However, the bundle rate is running behind last year's figures. Thomas will reach out to his sales manager for bundled offerings and find out what's happening. Thomas is interested in helping remove obstacles. Selling bundles is an important area. It expands the revenue per customer, and this is where the sales accelerators kick in. Let's look at the active opportunities with bundled products. These are the opportunities containing bundled products. They are important because these deals allow us to capture white space and expand wallet share. They are high-value deals that are nearly twice the size of non-bundled deals. Also, sales kickers apply for this quarter. Thomas will want to keep an eye on them and make sure they close. Stalled deals are the deals which haven't moved in 30 days. By getting these deals moving again, Thomas can positively affect this quarter's revenue. He'll reach out to the sales reps that manage these deals. Overall, Thomas is teed up nicely to hit his numbers. The dashboards keep him focused on the areas that are most important. These 6 KPIs are fully configurable for Thomas. His sales ops team can configure as many or few of these as he needs. He can use a simple 2-click drill down from KPIs to transactional detail. Oracle Sales Cloud Communications Industry Solution enables telco companies to grow more, with executive visibility into key performance indicators.